What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, video is the one you guys requested that I should do about my template that I used before, around from 2020 till 2023. Although I've used many types of templates, but this is the one I used in 2023 before I stopped journaling. So, you guys want to know how to use it, or how to implement, or how to do the same thing I did, then I would show you guys the whole format, and I'll share the link in my description channel, in my description. So first of all, what I do is, this is a new month, April. I'll just tap on it, write the name April or March or May. Then I'll just put like a little motto. Yeah, discipline and patience are the goals. That is what we did for the month. Discipline and patience. So then, this is trade number one. Date. Right, already date. Session. Get a on your first session. This is happening after I've taken the trade. Then pair GBUSD. I told you GBUSD, but you can add your pairs. You can write USD, and then you can create. Notion is very handy, but write USD and create as much as you want. So this place, I read that you can only add one pair on this day, because I took only one trade a day, so you add only one pair. But if you take more than one pairs in a day, more than one trade in a day, you can add number 2, number 3, same price, put the same date, then short or long, buy or sell. That's what it means. Then this is the confluence that you need for to enter a trade. On our bullish, 50-minute break of structure. All these confluence are what I use then, and before I enter a trade, the 1 hour bullish, 1 hour bearish, 50-minute break of structure, buys or sells. Then trade condition, is it a trade of character that I'm trading, or trade condition? If it is trade condition, I will take condition. If it is change of character, I will put change of character. Then this is a screenshot of the trade. Trade that I took 2023. So if it is I'll put it before and put it after. This is the before, this is the after. Okay, 15 minutes also. I'll put the 1 hour and I'll put the 15 minutes. And this is the after in 1 hour. This is after in 15 minutes. So it's very, very simple and very, very basic. Yeah, so what I mean adding this, I'll write the loss like loss 50. If I risk 0.5%, I'll put the risk that I added. If I use 1% on this trade, I'll just write 1 to change to 1%. I've done the hard work in this place. Just copy it and start using. And yeah, and the reward is how much I made. This one I lost the trade, so I lost 0.25% on the trade, and then start with loss, win, or break even. Then comment it is what it is. So this is very, very simple and very, very basic. So you know how to navigate it, but you can tweak it, do whatever you want to do. And I used to have a comment here. First week of April, I just write what I think about the market, and then move on to the second week. After, I will do all my comments and the comment here, everything I want to do. I'll just write it down here for the end of the month. So I don't want this video to be long, because I've done many Notion template video on my YouTube, so you can just scroll down and look for the one that is okay for you. I'm doing this one because I wanted to share a new link. The old links in my channel has expired, so this one is a new link. So yeah, so guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.